Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate mint fudge. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of butter, and you want that to be unsalted. A half a cup of confectioner sugar substitute, so I'm using monk fruit. I just got the granulated sugar and then I just beat it with my NutriBullet until it became powdered sugar, so whatever kind you like there. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of mint extract, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and then a half a cup of keto-friendly chocolate chips. I didn't have enough chocolate, so I added a little bit of white chips in there too. That's fine. It doesn't matter. And I'm using the Bake Believe chips. And then if you want, you can add a little bit of green food coloring. So that's all of our ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first in a saucepan, we're going to heat the heavy whipping cream, butter, and your confectioner sugar substitute over medium heat, and just use a whisk until all the ingredients are combined completely. All right, everything is combined in here, but now we are just going to let that continue to cook until it becomes thick and turns a little brown. All right, that looks pretty good to me. That took about 12 to 15 minutes, and I could see my mixture just started to boil, and I just whisked it every now and then. But when it started attaching to the sides, I knew that it was probably ready. It didn't really turn brown, but it's kind of more yellowish. So now we are going to go ahead and add in our vanilla extract and stir that to combine. All right, my vanilla extract is all stirred in there, and I just poured about maybe a fourth of my mixture into a small bowl, and we're going to set that to the side. So next we are going to go ahead and add in our cocoa powder to this to the bigger portion of our mixture that we still have in our pan. Just go ahead and add in your cocoa powder and stir that very well. All right, my cocoa powder is mixed in there, and I think it's blended pretty well. So next we are just going to let this sit here for about 5 minutes to cool off before we add in our chocolate chips. All right, I think my mixture is cooled off enough now, so I am going to add in my chocolate chips and just stir them until they're completely melted. All right, that looks pretty well combined to me. So next we are going to add that into the bottom of a loaf pan lined with parchment paper and just spread it out evenly. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So go ahead and set that to the side, and we're going to work on our mint layer. So we're going to just take our other bowl, add in a little bit of the food coloring and our half teaspoon of mint extract. I'm not sure if I said a fourth a teaspoon or half, but you are supposed to use a half. Unless, of course, you don't really like mint, and then you could use a half or not even use it at all. Alright, since I didn't really have enough to quite cover mine, I'm going to go ahead and maybe try to swirl it a little bit with the toothpick. Alright, actually that looks really cute. So we are going to go ahead and put this in the fridge for 4 hours, and then when we take it out, we cut this into 12 even pieces, and they should be about 2 net carbs per serving per piece. Okay, I just removed my fudge from the refrigerator and just took the parchment paper out of the loaf pan and cut it into 12 kind of even bars. So each of these, if you're doing keto, should be 2 net carbs. Hey, taste tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, everyone, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.